Yeah. My apologies for being late. It's Mac J, Mac Fab. Yo, I never talk about high school, but I learned to pass, so I made time move. So I watch the cops eating that bad food. They never catch me while I doing my bad moves. So I check up, check in, they lose. Cause I'm never at the right time, the right place. If Jiggy with me, man, I know I'm too safe. I know he got my back cause we eat from the same plate. Really dawg, you ain't never seen no one like us. We got girls coming in like a queue in a bus. Serious dawg, we oughta be better than famous. Cause we bad, we famous. Cause we more than famous. We the royal kings, God entrusts us. Just because I ain't talking about it don't mean I ain't really thinking about it. I forgive a nigga for trying to shoot me in my own house. Those bullets are from this house.
Well, you know, I'm dreaming about you, girl. Wishing you were here, yeah. Thinking back on how we fell in love. Visions are so clear, yeah.
I got them ladies screaming out jigsaw. Them fake niggas hating on my boy Miso. Mac Fam got his back cause we're rolling one. In the streets we've been singing, singing, singing out loud. See the freedom we've been striving for. This white's up and rolling but we gotta take over. See the freedom we've been striving for. This white's up and rolling but we gotta take over. So we can take over and make some change around. So we can take over and make some change around.
Education is the key necessity. The dropout out to first year university. I got my mama disappointed and so mad at me. I got this music going on, I hope she proud of me. Yo mpeni support ndisipele nungo. Songo tenda zote zvine nazvipanga fungo. Yo vachenda tapitori ndivotovona mabono haati lori yo. Being here ndivopfa zvikudhifa ubva tendava rasta vavori ndikovifa ngondo wenda hune ndabva ndifere ndichitoda mushumo vava chiri ndebvu ndigere ndimwe reason why ndisafoleli mushumo ndirabelisa uringa muzika ndiwane lupfumo yeah. Mac Fam will never break up yo nithogomele vangana vane va fake up.